इट्स माई डे ऑफ, सो आज मैं जा रही हूँ शॉपिंग करने, तो इसीलिए मैंने व्लॉग स्टार्ट किया है। अभी आई एम ड्रिंकिंग सम ब्लैक कॉफ़ी बिकॉज आई एम वेरी 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 hungry. I'm not tired. I woke up at 10 a.m. so I feel more refreshed than waking up at 2 p.m. maybe. So now I'm going to take a good bath. As you can see, the condition of my hair is terrible. So अभी मैं नहाऊंगी, उसके बाद मैं बाहर जाऊंगी क्योंकि दाई को एक सामान देना है, तो उसके पास जाऊंगी। उसके बाद I'll go for shopping. I'll go Jord and I don't know the place name, but there is some place, so I'll go there also. And let's see what I get today because there is sale in France going on, and this sale in France is one of the biggest sale in France because अभी यहाँ पे सामान 70% ऑफ में भी मिल जाता है। And I'm a girl, I love sales, so yes, I'm gonna go do some shopping and I'm gonna show you all in the evening what I got for myself maybe. मेरा कल रात का बचा हुआ राजमा और थोड़ा सा चावल। I'll just eat this and I'll go currently because I don't have time. What I'm eating बाहर जाने से पहले, ये राजमा चावल ये मैंने कल रात को बनाया था और ये थोड़ा सा बच गया था, तो मैं अभी खा रही हूँ। So now I am in the washroom, done eating a good meal. Now I'm gonna dry my hair because I need to get out of the house as soon as possible. I need to go and give Dai his documents, which is very important currently. So yes, let's dry our hair and move out of the house. I'm also very late to go and buy some new stuff, which I'm very excited for. Shopping is like, what do I say? It's like medicine of peace. In the wrong bus stop, but आज इसमें मेरे कोई गलती नहीं है क्योंकि मुझे जो डायरेक्शन बस वो गूगल मैप्स में दिखाया था मैं वहीं उतर गई। And I could literally see H&M and everything crossing from the bus stop I was supposed to get down in, but it's okay, I'm walking. It's just 4 minutes walk, and the thing I'm feeling bad about is it's too hot right now. कह रहा यहाँ वहाँ जॉर्ज में भी है, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारा स्टोर्स देखा था मैंने, एंड प्लस आई वांटेड टू सी कम टू अ न्यू प्लेस, सो आई केम हियर। तो चलो चलते हैं। सो हॉट। मैं इतना ज़्यादा ब्रोक हूँ लेकिन फिर भी मैं शॉपिंग करने की हिम्मत से यहाँ आई हूँ, बेशर्म होके अपना बैंक बैलेंस बिना देखे आई हूँ, और अभी मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें लेने का मन कर रहा है। और यहाँ पे एक ग्रैंड फार्मेसी भी है, यहाँ से स्किन केयर भी लू हो रहा है। वैसे भी स्किन केयर का कोई मतलब तो नहीं है इतना गर्मी में, फिर भी लेट्स सी टिल वेयर आई कैन गो, वेयर इज़ माई लिमिट टुडे, लेट्स सी। पैसा तो वैसे है नहीं मेरे पास। So now I'm in the trial room to try some clothes in Mango. I loved 2 dresses. Let's see how it fits me. This was my outfit of the day. White pant, this top and this shirt, golden hoops, hair up, and my bag. So this dress is so pretty, but it's too revealing for me, so I cannot wear it. And honestly, I love this. This is in the size L from Mango. It's too pretty, too cute, like literally see. But honestly, this dress is not for me. This is too wide and it's too puffed up. ये मैं लगा ही नहीं सकती, कहीं नहीं जा सकती मैं ये लगा के। I look like a princess. Tired and waiting for my bus to go back home. To change the bus again because the bus stop over there is not working. तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं घर. It is so hot and sunny. The weather sucks right now. It's too hot. Back home just to keep my stuff, and I got shocked after looking at my room. I'm going to show you all. It's like something has happened to my room. It looks like as if there was a bomb blast of clothes and everything. Okay, this much is fine. Look at the bags over there. Look at my bed. It's like a mess. अभी मैं first वापस आके सब ठीक कर दूँगी. अभी I'm going Jod because मुझे थोड़ा और सामान लेना है तो I'm going Jod now. Let's go. Bye. Hi guys. So I just got back home. I took a good shower and now I'm going to do a haul video of what did I buy. I did not buy a lot of things क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी चीज़ें पसंद नहीं आया. अभी मैं थोड़ा सा लिपस्टिक लगा लेती हूँ क्योंकि माई फेस इज़ लुकिंग सो डल. मैंने मुँह वो सब मेकअप वेकअप उतार दिया है नहा के. तो this is khatam, like it's over. This was my favorite lipstick. It's a lip blush and now it's this one. I bought it from Sephora. The color is this one and look at the color. It's so pretty. ये वाला भी सेम टाइप ऑफ इफेक्ट देता है. दिस इज Sephora से मैट लिपस्टिक रूज समथिंग. इट्स नंबर 13. दिस वन. It's a very pretty color, but it's not time to show this. So let me just drink some water because it's so hot. अभी बहुत गर्मी है इधर. I got some cold water here. It's so hot. I think I'll get sick because I'm drinking too much cold water. लेकिन क्या करें, अब नहीं हो सकता इस गर्मी में. एंड दिस इज़ माई फेवरेट. ये एक एप्पल का प्यूरे है जो मुझे बहुत 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 ज़्यादा पसंद है क्योंकि ये विदाउट शुगर है. यहाँ पे आई डोंट नो व्हाट दे पुट बट दे से इट्स जस्ट एप्पल प्यूरे. दिस इज़ नॉट इवन फॉर अस, दिस इज़ फॉर किड्स बट आई लव इट. I mostly bought everything from H&M. Let's say I did not buy anything from anywhere else because I only went to H&M today. Maybe since the sale will last till 25th 2020 कुछ ऐसे ही 20-25 तारीख को सेल ख़त्म होगा जुलाई का. तो तब तक this is the first item I bought. This top. It is so cute. You have to wear something from inside but it's so cute. It's frilly, it's cutie, it's summery and I love it. I'm going to pair it with pants and skirts, mostly with skirts. So this is the first item I bought and let me just keep it properly because after that I'm not going to do anything. I know that much. I know me. The second item is this bodysuit. This I bought because I wear a lot of shirts and I don't have a proper inner wear like tank top to wear it from inside. So I bought this. This is a bodysuit. This is a bodysuit and the material is, you can see the material is very nice. बहुत अच्छा मटेरियल है. ये पुराना भी नहीं होगा जल्दी से. सो आई लव इट. मुझे ऐसी ही चीज़ें पसंद है, लाइक समथिंग दैट लास्ट मी लॉन्ग, स्पेशली व्हेन इट्स अबाउट बेसिक्स. अगर ये बेसिक्स का कपड़ा नहीं है तो आई कैन मैनेज विद एनी मटेरियल. बट जब ये बेसिक कपड़ा वगैरह होता है देन आई लाइक गुड मटेरियल्स. इट्स वेरी गुड मटेरियल. एंड आई बॉट दिस टू. I don't think so this I can wear it now because it's too hot now. But अगर थोड़ा सा पानी वानी आएगा और थोड़ा सा weather change होगा then I can wear this because it's full sleeves. It's like this. This top is very pretty. It looks very nice on my body type too because I have a very bulky body. I'm fat so I need something that hugs my body properly. तो ये मेरे शरीर में बहुत अच्छे से घुस जाता है तो looks very nice. I just bought t-shirts. like just t-shirts and nothing else. And then I bought this. This is a shirt, this is a top. I don't know what top is it. I never saw this kind of top in H&M. I loved it, but I honestly loved it. Like, it looked so cute. This is not my style. I usually don't wear like this kind of clothes, but it's cute and I liked it. This is the top. It's very cute, as you can see. I love it. I'm not gonna wear it now, but when I'm gonna wear it, I'm gonna show you all by styling it. But I don't think so I can do it now, क्योंकि अभी बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी है और मुझे इतना हिम्मत नहीं है कि मैं कपड़ा पहन के उतार के और फिर बैठूँ, क्योंकि इतना गर्मी में कौन ही करेगा. Then I bought this. This is ballet flats. मैंने ज़िंदगी में कभी भी ऐसे जूते नहीं लगाए हैं. Like, this is the first time I bought it because it's so much in hype and I wanted to try it. This is the first time I bought it. I have never worn shoes like this before. ये अभी कैमरा में इतना justify नहीं कर रहा है, but this is from this suede kind of a cloth material and ये H&M में वेबसाइट में भी है, हर जगह ही है, इंडिया यहाँ सभी जगह है, and it's very pretty. Your legs look very nice in this, mind you. And then I bought my hair products, shampoo and conditioner. This is hair mask, shampoo and hair mask. This is L'Oreal Paris Elseve, I don't know how to pronounce it, 2-in-1 color Y shampooing, whatever it is. I'm gonna color my hair, so I just saw color here. I didn't understand anything that's written here. I just read color here, so I bought it. I didn't understand anything else, and I'm going to color my hair, so I bought it so that if it's for long lasting color, it's okay. If it's to protect my hair from the damage that the color does, even that's okay. But I didn't understand anything. I just bought it because I needed a shampoo and a conditioner and mask protection color or whatever is written. So maybe it's to protect your hair from the color. So I bought it. Then I bought the hair color that I'm going to color my hair in. I wanted to color this color only, but then it does not suit me. I felt like it's not looking good in me, and then even this does not suit me. So what I did, I used my brain, the little brain I have, and I bought both the colors. अब मैं ये दोनों को मिक्स करके लगाऊंगी. I don't know which color will come, but I'll just do it. क्योंकि मुझे स्टाइल के लिए नहीं करना है. मेरा यहाँ पे सफ़ेद बाल आता है, you can see it. तो बहुत ज़्यादा सफ़ेद बाल आता है, इसीलिए मुझे कलर करना था. तो मैंने ये दोनों ही ला लिया. इसके बाद मैंने लाया है ये. This is hand wash, nothing else to show. And then I bought a big box of like around 12 or 15 pieces of this. I love this. I'm honestly saying I love this. People in France should try it rather than drinking Coke and all that. I'm just kidding. I drink Coke a lot, so but not now. But rather than doing that, you can try this. Place where I am today, I'm feeling awkward.
और ये है शाकोपची का बोर्ड. बस यहाँ के लोग ही इसको पसंद कर सकते हैं. मैं तो खा भी नहीं सकती. मैंने सिर्फ
This is where we are having the staff party. अभी टॉयलेट आई हूँ थोड़ा सा ब्रेक लेके। तो हम लोग स्टाफ पार्टी में आए हुए हैं, तो मैंने थोड़ा थोड़ा करके सब क्लिप्स डाला है बिकॉज आई एम फीलिंग शाई टू व्लॉग। तो यस, दिस इज़ माई आउटफिट। आई एम वेयरिंग अ स्कर्ट, आई एम वेयरिंग दिस टॉप फ्रॉम इनसाइड, आई एम वेयरिंग दिस शर्ट एंड द शूज़। So I just woke up after taking a good nap. Since I'm not feeling so well, I ate my lunch and then I directly went to sleep because I'm not feeling so good. So yes, and thank you so much for watching my vlog. I did not vlog everything so well, especially the party scenes and all. I do not have a lot of clips because I was very awkward to vlog that time. Like, I felt really awkward because I am not a person who can vlog in front of everybody. So I kind of put some clips, but yeah, that's only the thing I have, only that much clips because I honestly did not vlog a lot. And yes, thank you so much for watching my vlog. Hope you like it. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. And yes, see you in another vlog. Maybe tomorrow I'm going to vlog because I'm going for shopping again.